Most flybridge motor yachts in this class settle for a planing hull and the fuel bill that comes with it. The Azimut Magellano 25M does not. Built by Azimut in Italy, part of the Magellano dual mode series. The superstructure is built in carbon fiber, hand-laminated, up to 30% lighter than a standard layup, twin-man V12 diesels, 1400 horsepower standard, 1550 optional, top end near 25 knots, cruise between 18 and 19 knots, 2,139 gallons of fuel and 396 gallons of water aboard. Full range and performance data at yachtspecsdirect.com. 82 feet 9 inches overall, 20 feet 8 inches of beam, 6 feet 3 inches of draft, 4-deck lounge forward, flybridge above, cockpit that opens straight to the water. 4 features define this 25M. Dual mode hull, semi-planing efficiency that cuts fuel consumption up to 20% against a comparable sharp entry hull. Pivoting transom, the cockpit converts into a full panoramic terrace at anchor. Zero-emission hotel mode, a 75 kilowatt-hour lithium battery bank runs hotel loads in silence. BCool air treatment keeps the interior fresh underway. 4 cabins plus crew quarters, 5 heads plus a crew head. Interior concept by Vincenzo De Cotiis. Exterior lines by Ken Freivokh. Bottom line, a flybridge yacht that trades planing hull assumptions for real efficiency at displacement speeds, and a hand-built carbon superstructure most builders reserve for boats twice the price. For the full spec sheet and comparison data, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Tony from Minted Yachts.
For additional information, feel free to email me at ts@mintedyyachts.com or text me at 404-805-9819. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com. Please like and subscribe.